In this video, I will be showing you how to fix the "Your connection is not private" error in Google Chrome on Windows XP. But first, let's see what actually causes this error. Microsoft shut down Windows Update for Windows XP, and as a result this also disables automatic certificate updating. Thus, any Chromium browser will give you these errors about your connection not being private. There are already some videos on YouTube that promise a fix for this error, but all they show you is how to make the error not show up anymore and not how to fix the actual problem. So, to get rid of this error and make our connection secure again, we'll need to manually update our certificates. This is actually really easy. First, open up a working browser like Firefox and go to the link in the description, which will take you to a Google Drive download page, and download the file. Next, just run the little program you've just downloaded and wait until it's done doing its magic. Once it's finished, it should say "Install revoked, roots update January 2016. Now let's open up Google Chrome and see if it works. As you can see, I'm not getting any errors now and my connection is private and secure. Looks like everything works now. And if this worked for you, please subscribe and leave a comment to help motivate me to make more videos like these. Thanks for watching.